In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a Proforma invoice in Zoho Books. We'll start right from the Zoho Books dashboard. First, head to the sales section. This is where all your selling documents live, including what Zoho calls quotes or estimates. A quick note before we proceed. In Zoho Books, a Proforma invoice is typically created by using a quote and customizing its template so it's labeled as a Proforma. That way, it looks and behaves like a Proforma invoice without affecting your actual sales figures until it's converted. Inside sales, open quotes. Then create a new one by selecting New. You'll see a fresh quote form. Begin by selecting the customer. If the customer already exists, just pick them from the list. Make sure the billing and shipping details look correct. Accurate customer information helps ensure your Proforma is accepted without back and forth later. Next, set the quote date. This is the date your Proforma is issued. Then set the expiry date so your prices and terms are clearly time-bound. Choosing a realistic validity period helps you manage follow-ups and keeps expectations clear. Now add your items. Select the product or service you're offering and confirm the quantity, price, taxes, and any discounts. Take a moment to review line item descriptions. Clear descriptions, reduce approval delays, and make your Proforma look professional. When everything looks good, click Save as Draft. Saving as a draft preserves your work and lets you adjust the document layout to show it as a Proforma. To do that, open the Settings icon, the gear at the top right, then go to PDF Templates. In the Templates area, switch to the Quotes group since that's the document type you're using for your Proforma. Choose the template you use for quotes and click Edit. This will open the template editor where you can fine-tune how your document appears. In the editor, go to Transaction Details if you need to verify the overall layout, then open Document Details. Turn on the option to show Document Title. In the title field, type Proforma. This updates the visible heading on the document so your client clearly sees it's a Proforma and understands it's not yet a final tax invoice. Click Refresh Preview to confirm the new title appears correctly and that spacing and fonts look right. If everything looks good, click Save to apply the change. That's it. You've created a quote and formatted it to serve as a Proforma invoice. From here, you can send or download it, and once your client approves, you can convert it to a final invoice directly in Zoho Books, keeping your process clean and consistent.